American Sustainable Dynamics Energy Co. Limited. Solid-state energy, project progress, risk, and market assessment. Many investors and venture capitalists have raised concerns about the risks associated with solid-state energy, comparing it to clouds floating in the sky. This document provides an assessment of the project's progress, risks, and market potential. Solid-state energy, a revolutionary technology disrupting the energy industry. Our solid-state energy technology enables electric vehicles to operate from manufacturing to decommissioning without requiring external power charging. It effectively addresses three major pain points for EV drivers: white heavy checkmark, no range anxiety, eliminates concerns about running out of power while driving, removing dependence on charging stations. White heavy checkmark, extreme environmental adaptability, ensures safe operation in high temperatures and reliable startups in low temperatures. White heavy checkmark, high efficiency and stability, provides long-lasting and stable energy output, unaffected by climate or geographical conditions. Beyond electric vehicles, solid-state energy applications include house with garden. Residential power allows households to break free from high electricity costs and grid dependency. Helicopter drone technology extends flight range and battery life, unlocking new applications. Ship autonomous ships enables unrestricted maritime navigation without power supply constraints. Our technology not only benefits individuals and businesses but also aids power companies in alleviating grid stress, reducing carbon emissions, and advancing the global transition to a truly green energy era. This is not just innovation, it is an energy revolution. This is our goal and the direction of our efforts. Over 30 years of industry experience and vision. I arrived in the United States in 1987 and have been rooted here for over 30 years. I have witnessed the transformation of the computer industry, the rise of the Internet, and the emergence of AI. Since 1998, I have been dedicated to researching and developing magnetic power generation and solid-state energy storage. Although I have faced multiple setbacks, I successfully met the industry's technical requirements in 2021. In 2016, I came to a critical realization: manufacturing in the US is challenging due to labor issues, unions, and environmental regulations. To survive, the only viable approach is to move away from traditional labor-intensive production and establish fully automated, unmanned factories to mitigate workforce-related instability and legal risks. Now is a once-in-a-century opportunity. The U.S. federal government is actively promoting the return of technology manufacturing and imposing high tariffs to encourage global tech companies to set up production facilities in the U.S. under the Made in America initiative. These manufacturers will require vast amounts of power distribution cables and panels, which presents a prime opportunity for us. For years, we have focused on automation, dedicating our lives and resources to this vision. Thanks to the U.S. government's support, our industry is poised for explosive growth. We sincerely appreciate the efforts of the 45th and 47th U.S. President, Donald Trump, whose tariff policies have safeguarded our industry and made this endeavor possible. Manufacturing and market opportunities in the U.S. Any manufacturing facility in the U.S. must rely on a stable power supply and distribution system, creating a significant market for our industry. Given the enormous U.S. market, only highly automated industries can efficiently meet the demand while ensuring profitability. Having lived and worked in the U.S. for over 30 years, I have personally experienced the evolution of manufacturing. Since 1995, Asia, particularly China, rose as a manufacturing powerhouse due to cheap labor and government subsidies. This put tremendous pressure on U.S. businesses, causing many small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) to struggle and collapse. Despite attempts by the 43rd and 44th U.S. presidents to stabilize the economy, SMEs continued to suffer until the 45th president, Donald Trump, implemented the manufacturing return to the U.S. policy. This revitalized domestic manufacturing, reducing dependency on foreign imports. A country without manufacturing cannot sustain long-term economic stability. Relying solely on printing money to import goods only increases national debt and economic risks. Hence, revitalizing local manufacturing is critical, which is why the U.S. government has been prioritizing this strategy. Since 2015, Southeast Asia has emerged as a new low-cost manufacturing hub. Many foreign manufacturers, particularly Taiwanese processing industries, began shifting from China to Southeast Asia due to rising labor costs in China. Meanwhile, the rapid advancement of high technology and AI has presented an unprecedented opportunity for our solid-state energy project. As a core component of Industry 4.0, solid-state energy automation is highly profitable and indispensable across multiple sectors. First phase of solid-state energy, high-end power cables. My expertise lies in high-end power cables, the first phase of solid-state energy development. During my university years, I specialized in automation technology and later worked as an automation engineering specialist at Mitsubishi Computer Corporation in Japan. This experience significantly strengthened my confidence in developing automated manufacturing systems. Since 1998, our solid-state energy project has undergone 25 years of research and development, requiring immense dedication and persistence. Despite numerous setbacks, we achieved a breakthrough in 2021, successfully completing White Heavy Checkmark Product R&D. White Heavy Checkmark Core Technology Mastery. White Heavy Checkmark Automation Implementation. White Heavy Checkmark Market Strategy Planning. White Heavy Checkmark Product Pricing Strategy. White Heavy Checkmark Investment Return Assessment. White Heavy Checkmark Industry Presentations and Outreach. White Heavy Checkmark Market Transition and Acceptance. We are currently securing funding for Phase 1, Automated High-End Power Cable Manufacturing, progressing steadily toward full-scale implementation. The best opportunity for solid-state energy growth. With Trump-era tariff policies driving manufacturing back to the U.S., demand for power supply infrastructure is surging. The vast U.S. market offers tremendous potential for our products, as all manufacturing plants require high-quality, efficient power systems. Our automated production technology ensures reliable, cost-effective power solutions, catering to U.S. manufacturers while maximizing industry profitability. Now is the time to act. Solid-state energy is no longer a vision, it is the future of sustainable power, poised to transform industries worldwide. Solid-state energy industry, Phase 1, high-end power cable industry, market sales volume, evaluation, and profit margin assessment. U.S. domestic power cable transmission lines and power distribution board market assessment. Market size, and prospects. U.S. major appliance market analysis. According to market forecasts, the U.S. major appliance Market is expected to reach approximately $29.1 billion this year and continue to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of over 2.5% in the coming years. U.S. Power Board market size and prospects. Market sales volume evaluation. Profit margin assessment. Portable power market. According to Fortune Business Insights, the U.S. portable power station market size reached $213.39 million in 2022, with a projected CAGR of 8.32% from 2023 to 2030. Public data indicates that the U.S. portable power station market was valued at approximately $1.23 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow to $1.78 billion by 2032, with a CAGR of 3.8%. North America holds the largest share of the global portable power market, accounting for 42% of the market in 2022. DC power market. In 2024, the US DC power market exceeded $426.53 million and is expected to surpass $755.89 million by 2037, with a CAGR of over 4.5% from 2025 to 2037. Key drivers of market growth include increasing demand for LED technology, rising demand for smartphones, accelerated adoption of IoT technology. Transmission and distribution market. In 2022, the U.S. transmission and distribution (T&D) market was valued at $82.96 billion, with a projected CAGR of 2.95% in the coming years. T&D is a crucial component of the power system, ensuring efficient and reliable electricity delivery from power plants to end users. Additionally, this provides essential capital investment support for Phase 2 of the solid-state energy industry. The development of magnetic energy generation and solid-state storage facilities, significantly advancing the progress and realization of related projects. Solid-state energy industry, Phase 2, market assessment and prospects for magnetic energy generation and solid-state storage facilities. Solid-state energy industry, magnetic energy generation with solid-state energy storage. Independent power generation, no grid connection required, zero risk, no cost, no pollution. 5 magnetic energy generators can be linked simultaneously to generate and store energy in large solid-state storage cabinets, functioning like a small power plant capable of supplying power to electric vehicles, AI servers, residential buildings, shopping malls, schools, public buildings, hospitals, forest parks, and island power systems. High value-added industry, solid-state energy storage-related industries. Waste generated during production is difficult to process and must be incinerated in high-temperature furnaces. To comply with environmental protection laws and enhance industry profitability, waste will be converted into high-value-added products. Solid-state energy industry, Phase 3, launching the world's first truly charge-free camping electric vehicle, pioneering a new era of new energy applications. A manufacturing plant is planned in Texas, USA, focusing on assembling electric vehicles and RVs capable of self-generating power while in motion, achieving energy self-sufficiency and eliminating reliance on charging stations, leading industry innovation. Phase 2, Solid Energy Industry Development. The market for the second phase of the solid energy industry is vast. Our initial solid-state electric energy product, enabling electric vehicles to operate from production to disposal without requiring external power charging, will serve as the primary product, supplying global electric vehicle manufacturers. Currently, the daily demand from major electric vehicle manufacturers is substantial. According to evaluations, the estimated daily demand from manufacturers in Japan, the United States, and Europe ranges between 5,000 and 8,000 units, highlighting the enormous market potential, highly attractive profit margins, and exceptional return on investment. Considering the current international situation, we are temporarily unable to supply Chinese manufacturers. Therefore, we may transfer orders to our Taiwan general agent, who will handle sales and distribution in the Chinese market. Solid-state energy storage production average profit assessment, electric vehicle power supply system, small electric vehicles, average post-tax net profit 24%. Heavy electric vehicles, average post-tax net profit 30%. Application power supply system, residential buildings, shopping malls, schools, island power systems, hospitals, yachts, airplanes, industrial electricity, agricultural electricity, public infrastructure, forest parks, defense industry, camping electric vehicles, etc. Average post-tax net profit 57%, 116%. Conversion of production waste into high-value products, average post-tax net profit 120%, 180%. Investment benefits and financial forecast, Phase 1, Environmental high-end power cable industry, estimated EPS earnings per share and investment PE ratio calculation, first year expected. Annual growth rate of approximately 35%, 45%. Return on shareholders' equity ROI, ROI equals earnings net value, reflecting the company's ability to generate profits using net assets. Gross profit and net profit margins, product scale sales stage, gross profit margin, 53%, 130%. Net profit margin, 35%, 116%. Conclusion. Therefore, I have great confidence in promoting the solid-state energy industry, akin to igniting the torch of this sector. The fundamental principle of solid-state cooling technology is solid-state energy, and its development must go through Phase 1, the advancement of high-end power cable technology. Without this initial phase, the industry would be a high-risk, high-reward field, tending toward automation and unmanned production. With an average profit margin exceeding 35% and minimal labor requirements, this industry serves as a strategic foothold for solid-state energy. This industry has a strong foundation and financial backing, meticulously planned as a large-scale initiative with a 100% success rate. Of course, all industries involve risks, but the estimated risk in the solid-state energy sector is only about 0.05%, especially in Phase 1, where stable funding sources must be ensured. With 25 years of research experience and extensive market and technology assessments, we have observed strong interest from multiple automotive manufacturers. Once our product officially launches and undergoes final testing with automakers, the cost of manufacturing electric vehicles will significantly decrease, with projected sales growth of up to 700 times. The advantage of this technology is that electric vehicles do not require fuel or charging, with a battery lifespan of up to 20 years. Even if the vehicle's exterior deteriorates over time, the solid-state energy system's longevity and stability remain intact. Furthermore, cost reduction enhances market competitiveness, making our solid-state capacitor technology the unparalleled choice in the market. Email, usa.sustainable.dynamics.energy@gmail.com